So how do you check the battery cycles on a MacBook? Let's get started. So at first you might have noticed that when you go to the system settings of your Mac, inside of the battery section, you don't have as much information as one might expect, right? So you have some things going on and the battery health can be found in here, but you cannot really see the cycle count. For that, you will need to use a third-party solution for it. So there are some apps available for this particular purpose. For example, on the Mac, it's called a Coconut Battery, the app which I'm using, and it's really simple to install. You just download it, double tap it, and just open it. It's just right there available, ready to be used. And using this app, you can get in here and see in real time what's going on with your battery. And one of the options is charge cycles. So you can see the amount for me and also the full capacity and the battery charge. So important stuff or kind of like useful things. What's important to know about is that if you check out the battery health in here, or you can see that the full capacity in here in this application, it tells me that it's just 91%, but on my MacBook settings, it's telling me that it's like 94%. So that's, a little bit different, but yeah, that's kind of like how it works. But you can get this application for free. Obviously, there are some paid like versions which you can also go for, but it's a great app. I'm not associated with them in any way, but this is how I like to check out the cycle count of my battery on a Mac. So that's it. Let me know below in the comments what you think about it. Hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the future tutorials.